Goedemorgen, good morning. How are you lovely people doing? So, I thought I was going to be doing this without being emotional, but it's so hard to say goodbye like this.
Via de verbindingsweg Interstate 75 South naar Naples.
Because you don't know when.
Volg de 2 rechte rijstroken om schuin rechtsaf te slaan via de verbindingsweg Interstate 75 South.
You don't know when you're gonna see.
Blijf 1 mijl doorrijden.
Oh, okay. I can't do this. I'm gonna edit, and Toes will drive us to Miami. The rain, hopefully, it's not gonna stick. And come with us to Miami because we have a really sick appointment coming up. We're like kind of tired because we haven't had coffee yet. We're now gonna go to Taco Bell. We ordered our food. I have I forget the name. Crunchwrap Supreme with a hash brown and beans and guac and pico de gallo and another hash brown. So he has a burrito with what's it called? Bacon. Then he has this one with sausage and what are these balls? Oh yeah, we got some public subs. Right now we are going back to the boat experience because we have booked a airboat experience to hopefully watch some gators in the Everglades. Soaking wet, and there's lightning and thunder, so we cannot continue this today, which unfortunately because it was supposed to be an hour, but we might be able to get reimbursed tomorrow. Those men are actually also getting the airboats back in. Oh, it is a pity, but apparently, like literally in front of our airboat, the lightning was striking into the water, and that's kind of dangerous with a boat like that. Anywho, I'm gonna call them and then hopefully I can do it again tomorrow with Toast. We'll see. Now we are driving the busy streets of Miami Beach region, and then we got checked into a hotel, which was an adventure on itself because I didn't have Wi-Fi and there was nowhere to park for free. So right now we finally have a hotel. When we get in, there's this huge mirror, and I'm still wearing my really wet clothes from the tour. Then when you look into the room, you see this. You just have the bed, which looks really nice. Just like, it's kind of neat. He's tired. Well, just a wall. Ooh, wow. I like this bathroom. That looks really nice. We're now gonna walk towards the beach because it's time for us to kind of just wind down and then have some chill time at the beach. So that's where actually we're heading. It's up there. Toes and I were swimming and all of a sudden I was like, there's a fish following me. And this fish will literally follow me anywhere I go. If I go swim, this fish is just gonna follow my hand. Like if I'm just gonna swim this way, for example, I'll just like swim this way. And all of a sudden, I bet the fish will come again. Yep, there he is. You see that?
Right there.
The fish is just like there in my hand and I'm actually moving forward. This fish is still here. He's just swimming along and he's been doing that for like the last, I don't know how many minutes. I didn't keep track, but he keeps staying with me. I think I made a little fish friend. And if I now go the other way, it's also gonna just join me.
Yeah, see.
Which is so flippin' funny. And if I just sit still, then he's gonna swim around me. Or sometimes go over my shoulder. Let's see, which way is he at? Oh, there he is still. Where is he at now? Oh, there he is.
Yeah. Daar, hier. Even sterren, blijf. Even sterren. Even sterren, hier. Ja, top. Ja, zie. 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 Ja.
Fish literally swam with me until like the end, until I walked out. Anywho, it's gotten a little chilly because we've been in the water for a long time. The sun is setting on the other coast. There is a ton of dark clouds coming in. We actually did see some lightning. And then it got dark. It's a huge difference because in front of us it looks, you know, fine. Especially there, it looks really pretty. Look at the pink sky. But then the back is not so pretty. We were taking some pics and dark clouds definitely are coming in. Kind of looks cool. I think it's gonna be a pretty bad storm too, because usually you have that with like the stripy ones. As you can see, like up here you have that whole line going, and usually when that happens it's gonna be a big storm. Looks really sick though. Like on camera it doesn't really do it justice with how dark it looks. But it looks sick. Yeah, I know, there's lightning and thunder. Our hotel contains 3 different buildings. The one behind me, which is like a taco bar as well. This one, the one that we have, we're by the way staying at the Catalina, and the building next to it, which I believe has a rooftop pool. And then we were strolling the streets of Miami because we're trying to find a place to eat, and afterwards we're probably gonna have a drink. go to this Italian pizza place. I was taking pictures of the limousine. Here you go. So funny because he hasn't seen those yet, I guess. I couldn't finish the pizza because it was way too big. My feet are killing me, so if you ever want to think about what shoes you want to wear, don't wear this. We're going back to the hotel to drop this off to wear different shoes. We're doing something dangerous because we're laying down. My feet are really happy. Oh, because that really hurt. But you're right. If we're gonna stay here, we're gonna get tired. So we have to go actually right away. I just have to figure out where to go because there's multiple balls. Toes and I decided to not be grandparents and be tired and sleep on your bed. So we went out and then all of a sudden there were these ambulance people there and a guy that clearly needed help. We helped them keep the door open. That's interesting. I can't usually handle that kind of stuff. At least I feel really sober right now. To our hotel because we're kind of like a grandpa and a grandma and we might go to bed after this drink. Toast went for the Corona and I went for another IPA I haven't tried yet. This is the Funky Buddha. I'm curious to see what it is like. And the greatest thing of having a bar next to your hotel room is this. You can actually literally walk 2 seconds to get to your hotel room. It's freaking awesome. Anywho, if you have enjoyed this video, please leave a thumbs up, leave a comment below what your favorite part was, and I hope to see you in another video. Bye bye, good night.